everyone, this is Cindy here with Magazine Mama. Today I wanted to give you an idea of some ways to make money with photography, because it's a question I get asked a lot, even from photographers with successful businesses. They want to know additional ways to make income with their photography. So I had this idea because yesterday my daughter had her first round of dance recital photos. So the topic I'm going to talk about today is dance photography. I don't know if any of you have ever tried it, but I got to thinking about it, and I think it's a really lucrative way to make money with photography. Because think about it, dance studios, first of all, the classes, they cost a lot of money. And my daughter's taking a bunch of classes this semester, and thankfully she's working there, so they're covering a huge portion of her tuition. You have to have money to go to these classes. These moms, they put their kids in a lot of different classes. So first of all, it's kind of a high-end clientele, I would think. And then with these recitals, the moms are paying lots of money for the costumes, like $60 to $80 for each costume. And then when they go to have their photos taken, they're not only taking a photo in one costume, but they have several different costumes they have to take their photos in. And so lots of moms in this business, and I mean, you can make a lot of money in this. Like, here's an example of the one photographer's, the handout that they gave yesterday. I mean, I'm a mom, I have my own photography studio, my own camera, and I'll be taking pictures of my daughter at my studio. But still, I'm probably going to end up ordering photos of my daughter as well. But like, for example, their top package is $42 with any 5 units. And a unit can be 2 5x7s, 8x10, 4 3.5x5s, or 8 2x3. So you can imagine that you can add up really quickly. So that's one thing you can do. And of course, you'll need to know studio photography. You need to know lighting and setup and all that. But if you don't have access to studio lighting and you're not comfortable with that yet, you can still target dance studios, because you can sell them private sessions. And what I mean by that is, let me give you an example. We were at the dance store the other day, and I'll post a photo of it in the comments below. But I was waiting for my daughter in the dressing room, and there was a bulletin board with all kinds of like kids camps and a lot of photographers marketing information on that bulletin board. And so a lot of these moms, they don't want studio photography of their children in the dance costume. Like, they might want some outdoor, some natural lighting photos, something outdoor in a special location. So that's one thing you can do as well. I thought of this too. You can also do marketing photography for dance studios, because they print out a lot of brochures, they have Facebook pages, websites, think of that. So there'll be a need for a lot of candid photos. You can also, if you're a headshot photographer, they'll also need photos of their staff for the bios, for the websites. And then lastly, they will need photos at their events, at the recital. And this is one pretty cool thing, because at our studio, at least, they don't allow like flash photography at all. So, and they're really picky about this. So whoever is the main photographer and videographer shooting the recital event, they have exclusive rights to photograph that event. And afterwards they sell, of course, the video, and they sell photos from the event. So these are just a few ways to focus on dance studios to make a little bit extra money in your off season. So I hope this has been helpful for you and get you started thinking a little bit outside of the box. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.